I was recently asked to give a presentation at Washington High School about STEAM education, and I wanted to show that with a bit of creativity you can take everyday objects and turn them into something much more interesting. Here's what I came up with. My plan was to put a piece of tin foil on the table with a can of Coke on top of it and then attach it to an Arduino. I would then use the CapSense library by Paul Badger to turn this can of Coke into a capacitive sensor. You can download the library at github.com. I decided to use my capacitive sensor to make a buzzer sound and to light up an RGB LED matrix display that I had built for an earlier project. However, it could be used for anything: to open a mechanical door, to turn on a light, or to move a remote control car. The only limit is the imagination. I got a Sprite can involved so the display would be more striking. If the Coke can were touched, the display would be red and white, whereas if it were the Sprite can, it would be green and blue. And to make it more interactive, I decided to use 7 cans and have them set the buzzer to the 7 major notes using the Arduino tone library, which, incidentally, is an interesting lesson of its own. I only had a morning to put it together, and this is how it went. Set up, and these various wires are in the Arduino board connected to nothing, but they've been coded to work as capacitive sensors. So it should be that when I touch one of the wires, a reading will come. That one is C, for example. If I touch a different wire, that one is D. So the plan is to connect each of these wires to different cans, and then I should be able to play it like a keyboard and maybe have some kind of light display. Okay, so I've updated the code a bit, and now I've got the can sitting on a piece of tin foil which is connected to one of the pins, which in turn is connected to the buzzer here, and it's tuned to vibrate at a frequency that is in A. Oh, missed. So far so good. Okay, so all of the cans are set up and they're wired to the Arduino board, which is connected to the computer. So I've made some progress. Around about this time, some students showed up to help me set up. One of them, having learned how to in a previous lesson, even did the programming for the light display. And in the final clip, we have Miss Jessica demonstrating the finished product. This was just a quick video of a one-day project to get the ball rolling, but there are many more to come. Thanks a lot for watching, and check back in to see what we've got. Learn how at Armstrong Academy.